This, what is on my left and possibly your right-hand side, is a Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven, and it is the model TOA-60. I bought this as a gift for someone, so I want to keep it pristine, but I am going to show you as much as I can. The box says, eat smart, fry healthy, crispy fried golden brown results, little to no oil required, 7 cooking functions. I'll show you on the dial up there. 1,800 watts of power, extra large capacity. That's a nice, satisfying bang when it closes. This thing is built extremely well. It was heavy pulling it out of the box. I really kind of like the sound of that. Nothing tinny about this thing. It comes with a drip pan, a metal shelf, and a fry basket. Here we have the power on indicator. We have the on oven timer. To turn the oven on, all you have to do is twist this to the right. The temperature, that goes back and forth. Here we have the function dial, which includes a broil setting. And when the toaster is on, we have a toaster timer over here. And finally, there is a light button. There are 4 broiling elements at the top, 2 more baking elements at the bottom, and then you have the airflow. I'm very, very happy that I got this Cuisinart air fryer, and I know the people that I'm going to give it to are absolutely going to love it.